In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Myers Briggs in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so your Myers Briggs type appears on your Skool profile. This is helpful for community introductions, matching with accountability partners, or just giving others a quick snapshot of your working style. Start by opening Skool and heading to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. That's your gateway to your personal settings. Click your profile picture to open the account menu. If you're on mobile, this might look like a small avatar or be tucked behind a menu icon, but it will still be in that top area. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Skool keeps your account controls and personal preferences. Settings is also where you'll manage things like notifications and privacy, but today we're focused on the profile area that controls what other members can see about you. Inside Settings, go to Profile. The Profile section is your public-facing information, your name, bio, and other details that help people get to know you. This is the space where Skool lets you add personality and context, so it's the natural place to manage Myers Briggs. Once you're on the profile page, look for a field or section labeled Myers Briggs. It may appear as a text field where you can enter your four-letter type like INFJ or ESTP, or as a drop-down selector depending on the current Skool design. If you already know your type, confirm it's correct and make sure it's displayed the way you want. If you're not sure of your exact type, you can leave it blank for now and return later once you've confirmed it. The important part is knowing where it lives so you can control how it shows up on your profile. If you don't immediately see the Myers Briggs section, scroll down the profile page. Some layouts group optional details a bit lower or behind expandable sections. Also, designs can change over time, so if your settings icon looks like a gear instead of a labeled button, that's normal. Go ahead and open it and then navigate to Profile. On mobile, things may be condensed, so be patient and swipe through the profile fields carefully. That's the entire path. Click your profile picture on the top right, click Settings, go to Profile, and look for Myers Briggs. Keeping this up to date makes your profile more informative and helps others collaborate with you more effectively. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit your profile anytime to fine